Finding the right doorbell can transform the way you experience home security and convenience. Today, we'll explore the best wireless doorbells on the market, featuring cutting-edge technology that ensures clear communication and reliable performance. Whether you're after a sleek design, impressive range, or advanced features, these doorbells are designed to meet your needs. Let's dive into the top options that will elevate your home's entrance. Honeywell Home Doorbell. The Honeywell wireless doorbell offers an ideal combination of convenience, reliability, and customization, making it a standout choice for homeowners. This plug-in model eliminates the need for batteries, offering hassle-free installation by simply plugging it into an electrical outlet. With a wireless range of up to 250 feet, this doorbell ensures that you never miss a visitor, no matter the size of your home. What sets this doorbell apart is its personalized features. You can choose from 7 halo light colors and 6 different tunes, ensuring that it suits your style and preferences. Plus, the LED strobe alerts provide an additional visual notification, which is especially useful in noisy or hearing-challenged environments. The volume is adjustable up to 84 decibels, or you can opt for the visual alerts only, making it versatile for various needs. The push button is weather-resistant and designed to last up to 2 years with normal use, providing long-term reliability. At an affordable price of around $30, the Honeywell Home Wireless Doorbell delivers a simple yet effective solution for modern home security, offering customization, reliability, and ease of use for every household. Blink Video Doorbell. The Blink Video Doorbell combines practicality with advanced features, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance home security. This sleek device offers 1080p HD video with infrared night vision, ensuring clear footage day or night. One standout feature is its two-way audio, which allows you to communicate with visitors remotely, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are. Setting up the Blink Video Doorbell is incredibly easy, whether you choose to go wire-free or connect it to existing doorbell wiring. The long-lasting battery ensures reliability, and for those who prefer not to rely on a subscription, the doorbell can be paired with a sync module too for local storage, providing an efficient way to save and manage footage. What really sets this doorbell apart is its seamless integration with Alexa. With Alexa voice control, you can answer the door with a simple command, making it even easier to manage your home security. For those looking for an affordable yet reliable video doorbell, the Blink Video Doorbell stands out as an exceptional choice. Its combination of HD video, two-way audio, and easy installation makes it a versatile solution for improving home security. Google Nest Doorbell. Next up, let's talk about the Google Nest Doorbell, an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a reliable smart video doorbell in 2025. This sleek wireless doorbell is designed for easy installation, offering both battery-powered and wired options for maximum flexibility. Weighing just 0.9 pounds, it's a compact and unobtrusive addition to any home. Equipped with an HD camera, the Nest Doorbell delivers sharp video with HDR and impressive night vision, allowing you to see clearly day or night. Its 3:4 aspect ratio gives you a wider field of view, making it easy to see people head to toe or monitor packages left on the ground. The built-in microphone and speaker let you communicate with visitors remotely, so you never miss a delivery or an important guest. The Nest Doorbell's smart features are also noteworthy. It can distinguish between people, animals, packages, and vehicles, sending customized alerts to your Google Home app. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with both Google Assistant and Alexa, making it simple to check in from anywhere. Overall, the Google Nest Doorbell is a smart, reliable option for anyone looking to enhance their home security with easy setup, clear video, and intelligent feature. eufy Security Video Doorbell. Next, we have the eufy Security Video Doorbell, an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security this year. This video doorbell features dual camera, offering an unparalleled view of your doorstep with a 2K HD resolution and high dynamic range for clear, crisp visual. The dual camera setup eliminates blind spots, ensuring that you have a complete view of your front porch, whether it's day or night. The eufy doorbell uses advanced dual motion detection technology, incorporating both PIR and radar sensors to accurately identify near and far objects. This reduces false alarms by up to 95%, allowing for more reliable notifications. It also boasts Delivery Guard, which ensures that you're instantly notified when a package arrives, helping prevent theft. Installation is hassle-free with options for both wireless and wired setups. The built-in battery makes it compatible with any door, and the 16 gigabytes of local storage means you won't need to pay a subscription fee for recording footage. This doorbell's two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors directly from your phone, making it perfect for when you're away. Overall, the eufy Security Video Doorbell dual camera delivers a robust and user-friendly solution for securing your home with impressive features that enhance both convenience and safety. AVANTEK Wireless Doorbell. Next up, we present the AVANTEK Wireless Doorbell Min, an exceptional choice for anyone seeking reliability and simplicity in a doorbell system. This compact and easy-to-install doorbell delivers impressive performance, offering a wireless range of up to 1,000 feet, ensuring you won't miss a visitor even if you're on another floor or in a distant room. The AVANTEK doorbell features 52 chimes to choose from, so you can customize the sound to suit your preferences. With 5 volume levels, including a maximum setting of 115 decibels, you can ensure the chime is loud and clear no matter where you are in your home. The 29mm stereo speaker produces rich, crisp sound, providing an overall pleasant experience. One standout feature is the long-lasting performance. The transmitter has an IP55 waterproof rating, and its ultra-low power consumption ensures the battery lasts up to 3 years. It can withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for various climates. Installation is a breeze with options to mount the transmitter using screws or double-sided tape, and the memory function ensures that your settings are saved even after a power outage. This affordable and efficient doorbell is a solid choice for any home,